Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This is what a waterfall of metal looks like. These men take scraps of metal, heat it up until it becomes a liquid, and then they spread it over a table of sand. The metal dries within a few seconds and then can be cut or rolled depending on the need. Here's what happens when you clap at a flamingo. There's a sport called slam ball, which is pretty much basketball, except you have trampolines and you're allowed to be extremely physical.
To penetrate Bird. Oh! Bird!
Blow.
That's a football mentality right there. Get some pancake. That's there.
Bandits gunner Craig Johnson slams the Diablos. Mason
out to inches Jackson. Jackson.
Oh! Shoulder couldn't do it. Garrett.
Yeah! Jelani Jalise has Quentin Nolan at mid.
Fortnite gang.
I was looking at videos of baby stingrays and I realized that from the top they're pretty peaceful looking, but from the bottom they look like transparent pieces of ravioli with a face.
Hello. Looks like an alien. My gosh, I didn't know they had.
There's a university in Germany that has an old prison designed for students that misbehaved. The university built this prison over 400 years ago, and the original graffiti from the students still covers the walls. The maximum prison sentence for any student was 4 weeks long, and anything more than that, they would just kick out of the school. This is what a carrot harvesting machine looks like. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!